Hi everyone, my name is Josiah Paletta. I am the history section of WorldLit. So the way it is in the past, we had 2 periods, everyone would be in one class, but now we have it divided to half the kids are with Ms. Schweitzer and half the kids are with me, and then after each period they switch. So with world history, what we cover is the beginnings. We kind of cover like government, some of the basic stuff of government, so that they have a better understanding as to kind of as governments are changing throughout the world during history, kind of seeing that change. After that, we kind of go through revolutions, things like the French Revolution. We don't talk much about the American Revolution because obviously this is world history and they should have got a lot of that in American history in the past. But then we kind of move on to Russian Revolution and some more, even up to some more current stuff, like some of the stuff about 9/11, the war on terrorism before that, because that, although it is with America, it does cover throughout the world. So one thing that we changed this couple years ago was we do a map every quarter, a map of a continent in the world each quarter that they kind of label out. And that way we did that because we got tired of seeing as kids got older, they would have to do stuff like current events or even watch the news, and they hear about a country in Europe and they would just be like, I have no clue where that is. So we started to do the map. That way they don't have to memorize them. They just have to kind of have a rough idea as to where countries are. That way, when that stuff gets mentioned, they're like, okay, I know this is happening in Europe. Okay, I know this is happening in Asia, Africa, so on and so forth. So that's one thing we kind of add. Your kids by now should have had a syllabus brought home to you to sign, where they should have gone through that with you, simply stating like, don't use their phones, don't come in with earbuds, turn in work on time, the typical stuff that's on the syllabus. So I think for the most part, that covers a lot of the things that we do. If you go on Echo, my email address is always on the top page of the Echo in the agenda. So that's if you click the activities button on there, you'll see that come up. So if you have any questions, you can email me, j_Paletta@bwcs.net. And so I look forward to having a great year with your children and my new students, and hopefully it's a great one. Thank you.